Dayo Amusa, you think say you get mouth, abi? You think say your mouth dey sharp? You don't run, come outside, want answer people. Did you post or you did not post? Did it make 100,000 views? I mean 100,000 comments. You know if you delete them because of the amount of views that's gathered. And your colleague has just been laid to rest. The fans are talking to you. I know sometimes the fans can be very harsh. Listen. Listen. Whatever you decide to sell yesterday and today will not change your life. It will not change your life.
Èèyàn wa lórí ikú ògògó náà la ṣì wà bí arábìnrin ṣe jáde wá dragi Dayo Amusa àti arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Funke Akindele lórí post tí wọ́n post. Àná ni birthday Funke Akindele, wọ́n ní kò yẹ kó post birthday rẹ̀, kò yẹ kó post picture ní àná. Nípa Dayo Amusa náà, wọ́n ní ó tún polówó fíìmù náà ní àná tí wọ́n sin arákùnrin tí a mọ̀ sí OGOGO. Ọ̀rọ̀ náà ló ti di gbọ́n mi sí omi ò tó lọ́nà. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbìyànjú láti wo fọ́nrán yìí láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ títí dé ìparí kí ẹ lè gbọ́ bí gbogbo story náà bí ó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀.
This one that they pursue up and down, fame and fortune. Name somebody just leave so waka leave us. Make una get empathy. I know there is poverty in Nigeria. I know there is desperation. I know everybody, they no care. Please care. One of your biggest legends have just departed. Have some empathy. Some of the Yoruba fans are complaining about how some of the celebrities in the Yoruba industry, they are just getting on with their day as if nothing is happening. As if they have not just buried one of their very big legend. They are just carrying on with their day. Some of them, they have been asking Funke Akindele, can't you read the room? Can't you read the room? And then Dayo Amusa just came out to do a video because they are at her page cursing her. Because she also posted doing adverts for an upcoming movie. They are all behaving as if somebody very significant did not just leave. They are behaving as if somebody significant did not just leave them. These people, they lack empathy. They have no compassion, basically. They don't care. That is the truth. When you just carry on with your day, as if you are not in the same industry as that man. Even me, when no day in our industry, I know if you do anything today. I've been scrolling, watching, and participating in the morning. If your fans are telling you, have some conscience, I attribute this to poverty, the Nigerian system. The people are suffering in a way that these people, they have lost a sense of self. That is just how I can explain this. Una don't lose touch with reality because of poverty. The people are desperate. They are desperate to survive. And that's why they just carry on with their day. Like nothing. They go just on camera, cry for camera, and then they carry on with their day. That's what they are doing. The Yoruba actors and actresses. You are just, una go just on camera, cry. Una carry on with una day. Like nothing happened. You guys are not crying because they are doing that burial. You are crying because it is clashing with your day. Because it looks as if you guys don't have any. You carry on with your day like nothing happened. And the rest of us are just powerless. We don't even feel post. I attribute this to poverty and desperation of a Nigerian. What an unfortunate situation we have all found ourselves. I've been mourning. Say this poverty not too much. God, you know go deliver Nigeria. This poverty not too much. Look at our celebrities. See as they day. God, won't you remember us? Throughout today na pray, I dey pray for una. We no get conscience. God deliver Nigeria from poverty, because this poverty is turning everybody mad.